For next question, it's given that one coolie takes 1 minute to raise to a height of 2 meter, and another takes 30 seconds for the same job, and both does the same amount of work. So let's say this is coolie one, and the time taken here is 1 minute. Let the time taken by him is T1, which is 60 seconds, and it takes this to a height of 2 meter. And there is only who does the same amount of work, but the time taken here is 30 seconds, and height is 2 meter. Both are doing the work to raise to a height of 2 meter. Now we know that power is the rate of doing work, which gives me work is equal to P into T. So work is equal to P into T. So work here is P1 into T1, and work here is P2 into T2. So according to question, both the works are same. They both do the same amount of work. So that means W1 is equal to W2, which gives me power of the first cooling into time T1 is equal to P2 T2. Now P1 into T1 is equal to P2 into T2. So we can compare the powers. So this is P1 by P2 becomes equal to T2 by T1, and T2 is 30, T1 is 60 seconds, so that is equal to 1 by 2. So that means the power of the second coolie is 2 times the power of the first one. So we can say that second coolie has the greatest power. So second coolie has greatest power. Now, uh, it's further asked which one uses greater energy. And now we know that the difference between the power and energy is that power is the rate at which work is done. So that means how quickly you can do the work defines the power, and how much work is done defines the energy. So in this case, both are doing the same work. So both are doing the same work. So energy expended in this work done, and because the work done is same, so energy it depends on the height and the mass of the load, not on the time taken. So since both the coolies lift the load to the same height and do the same work, they use the same amount of energy. We can write that since both coolies they lift load to same height and also do the same work. So they are lifting the load to the same height and also doing the same work. So that means they use the same energy. So the conclusion here is that the second coolie has greatest power and both coolies use the same amount of energy. Thank you for watching.